Guys, thanks for kicking it with Kat. So today I'm gonna just go through a brief like how I meal prep. What I'm gonna be doing is pretty much making chicken. I'm doing like a Mediterranean style chicken. So instead of rice, because traditionally these dishes are made with rice, I'm gonna actually be using cauliflower rice. I have a pack of cauliflower. I just bought a gram of just something that's pure cauliflower from Walmart. I'm letting it thaw out right now. So I like to cook everything from scratch. So I'm starting with chicken breast. They're boneless, skinless. I just bought a pack of it. I'm probably not going to use all of it. I'll use about half or maybe 75% of it. So another thing, I'm actually meal prepping for 2 different meals for breakfast and for lunch. I'm doing it for 4 days. So Monday through Thursday is typically the days that I meal prep, and then on Fridays I might get something out or do something different. So my first half I'm doing pretty much sausage and Shishcabobs, I want to say it is, because they're already made. So all I have to do is throw them on a grill and get cooking. Typically I buy the already pre-cut mushrooms, but I guess I picked up the wrong ones this time. So I'm just gonna cut these up. So once you add your butter, this is pretty much the easy part. I'm just gonna start putting my shish kebabs in there. I keep them on the stick at first, and then I'll just literally let them slide off. And I'm just gonna fill the whole pot with all 3. It makes it a lot easier because they're all pre-cut. So I don't have to take so much time cutting it up. It depends on how you prefer it, if you prefer to have it. So I'm just gonna put a top on it for a minute and let it cook for probably about 5-10 minutes while I chop up some other stuff. I'm gonna chop up the sausages to put in there and just leave this cooking, and then I'll go back and add the seasoning. I'll go ahead and blend up some of the cauliflower in a blender and just make it to a rice consistency. So I blended the cauliflower rice. I'm not sure if you guys can see. It looks pretty similar to regular rice, but it's not cooked yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the stove. For a minute, I will go ahead and add the sausage to it. Now I'm just going to add my seasonings, the rest of my lemon peel. So I just made a little seasoning plate. I mixed my seasonings up, and then I'm gonna dip my chicken in it and bake it.